There's only life. There's nobody there who's living it. That sounds like poetry, but it's not. It's precisely what's happening to you right now, underneath the image that you call yourself. That image, where it comes from, what problem it brings, and why seeing it clearly changes everything. That's what this video is all about. The I was built. You weren't born with a self-image that you call I. It was self-constructed, piece by piece, one image after another, using what others said, what happened around you, the events and situations you were in, and all your experiences, and eventually what all you concluded about yourself. Before you noticed, that image became you. At some point, the construction felt like your reality. Not something you have, but something you are. You must have noticed this when you're wearing something tight. Eventually, it starts feeling like your own skin. It's something similar with the I, where the script of the I starts becoming who you really are. And soon enough, the image starts running the show. Now what's the problem with the I? Firstly, maintaining the self-image we call the I, it requires energy, which can be exhausting. Every interaction filters through it. So we're always seeing everything, people around us, situations around us, through this lens, which we call the I. Every criticism we face, every comment we get, it sounds like a threat, because this image is always trying to protect itself. Every failure we go through, it seems like a wound on our identity and not just any event. And what this creates is a constant gap between the image of who we are and what's actually happening. And that gap is the mental suffering which most of us are going through. This image is always protecting itself. Every reaction, every defense, and every single fear is the image protecting itself from being seen to what it is, just an image. It also keeps us from insights, from real understanding. And that's why any insight never sticks, because the image, it always absorbs it and uses it to enforce itself. The recognition. You can't destroy the image until you have this system of the body and mind. But what we can do is to see the image for what it is. And once you see it clearly, it loses its power over you. It loses its grip over the real you. You use it when you need it. Having this understood, going forward, the image will still appear. But knowing that you are not the image, but the seer of the image, keeps you out of its grip. And every recognition, every realization that you're not the image, brings you back home, brings you back to life. Peace.